guys, thank you all so much for joining me here today. I'm Ting and I just wanted to have a really quick chat with you guys about a topic that I feel is really important to me and maybe you guys as well, self-care. So some of you guys may already know that I'm always talking about unwinding, bath times, pampering and all of that kind of stuff because I'm a huge advocate for self-care. I don't know about you guys, but I feel that in a world where everything is so fast-paced and we're more connected than we ever were before, disconnecting, unwinding and taking time out for yourself is just so important. One of the reasons why I decided to start Lengbox is because I truly believe the importance of taking the time out for yourself. I really wanted to just inspire people to recharge and have some me time. I believe that self-care, whether it be meditation, working out or taking the time out for yourself to relax your muscles in a hot bath, it's just really important to maintain a healthy relationship with yourself. And this is why you've got to look after the number one asset, which is you. Time to put my tea down. It's kind of making my hands a little bit sweaty. I just want to say that I'm not a self-help guru or I'm not claiming to be or anything like that. I'm simply just sharing my experiences. So when I'm talking about this stuff, it's because I'm talking about this for myself as well. So I find that saying things out loud really forces you to reevaluate and recognize the importance of the subject that you're talking about. I think essentially, I feel like most people are on their own but very similar journeys. I feel it's really important to have a really good solid circle around you, so whether it be friends or family or community, and it doesn't have to be a really big circle either. So this is why I'm making the video and why I'm reaching out to you guys. There's the real OGs who've been with me from the start, so thank you, you guys know who you are. Then there's also the new guys who've just joined the lengbox community, so thank you guys as well. And anyone who's watching. So I'm going to wrap it up now because I can just go on all day about this self-care stuff. So since it's Wellness Wednesday, I'd love to hear your tips on what you guys do to recharge and how you guys practice self-care. So yeah, get in touch or just drop a comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys soon.